Hello everyone, today we will combine the drums with the mix in a few minutes. I will show the whole processing and explain its meaning. We will start with listening to the result. So let's take a look at the processing. All the volume levels are default and sent to the appropriate channels. A multi-band compressor stands on the kick, which suppresses largely low frequencies on fast batches. Kick, snare and toms go to a subgroup of strong compression. Plugin emulates 76 compressor with all compression buttons clamped. The effect is mixed exactly half. This allows to some extent enrich the signal and make it more focused. The next compressor goes the whole installation. On it we achieve a reduction in a few decibels. This will give an additional gluing of all elements. Optionally, the snare signal can be sent via the side chain to overheads to compress them during the impact. This will add more groove and rocking. As for the channel master, it's as simple as possible. Compress sound to about 3 decibels, use colorful saturation and raise the volume of the mix to the required standards. Speaking of spatial effects, I used presets that I thought sounded better, and of course I did a little bit of retrofitting in the context of the mix. This processing section for each here you observe my recommendation. If there are no plugins, you can replace this compressor with any other where you can activate all the compression buttons. This is the section where I'll tell you the main thing about the library. It has 1,700 samples that will make it sound alive. Inside it there are panorama and volume controls, as well as additional volume controls for each element of articulation. This gives more flexibility in setting. There is also an option to adjust the attack and the sustain. It will be useful in cases of triggering drums. There's a handy drama card here where you can listen to every element and make up a note. You can unload the extra elements and remove the note to make it look more aesthetically pleasing. As for the Humanize button, it will help to animate parties at a random level. When turned on, it reduces the force of the hit at random. It may be a redundant option, but in most cases when the reels are animated it can help for the better. On this I have everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not signed. Good mood.